In this tutorial, we're just going to take a quick look at the 5 different things that Google Docs can create. It's very, very similar to Microsoft Office. Some functions of it, I believe, are way more powerful. Other ones, obviously not as developed, considering that it's done through the web and like, but still fairly good. So if you go to the Create New, your options are Document, Presentation, Spreadsheet, Form, Drawing, and Collection. Collection we're not going to talk about today, but basically collection is how you can organize all of your different documents and spreadsheets and the like into groupings. So for Google Docs, a document is exactly the same as a Microsoft Word file. You'll see here that it looks like a page. It has the editing bar sort of thing. You can make changes to it, insert things. This is Microsoft Word, but online. The next option that you have in Google Docs is Presentation, which obviously relates to Microsoft PowerPoint. Similar thing, you can insert images and the like into this presentation. I do believe within here you can change it so that there's templates, make it look different, and the like. Okay, it's definitely not as pretty, I don't believe, as Microsoft PowerPoint, but again, it has these sharing features and other features that could make it a little bit more useful. The next thing is Spreadsheet, which is exactly that, Spreadsheet, which we equate with an Excel sheet. It's pretty similar to Microsoft Excel in that you can put in your formulas and all the rest and drag down and all that different type of stuff, creating graphs and the like. Okay. The next one is Form. This is something that Microsoft Office I don't believe has. Maybe there's a way, but I don't know how to do it. And what a form is that it's basically a survey. And by survey, I mean it's basically an area where you can ask questions. So it could be a test place as well. You could put up tests and have students write an answer within there and submit it. Perhaps you want to have a short quiz that the kids do at home with their parents or something, and you could quickly create it up here and share it with your students, and when they save it, it'll save all the stuff in a Google spreadsheet so that you have all of your answers right there from a student. This is something that I think is quite powerful and that you could possibly use quite regularly with your students, and it's something definitely different from Microsoft Office. The last thing that they have is a drawing function, which is a basic drawing program where you can quickly make drawings of whatever you might need. Maybe you just quickly need to make a sign with a big O on it, or perhaps you want a no sign here and you want to put some text in there. Don't yell. Let's pretend a student created this and didn't know how to spell very well. Okay, and so it's pretty easy to use. So simple drawing program if you just need to make a quick poster or something. This is something new. I do know that it's more powerful than what I know how to use it, but again, just something new, something different that can be drawn with, and I think this is one of those programs where when kids discover it, they'll be the ones creating new and different things that you never thought it could do, because they're willing to spend the time to play and discover all those new and different things. So that's a quick overview of the different functions of the Google Docs, slightly different, a couple slightly different ones from Microsoft Office. And we'll go into a little bit more depth about each one of those in the coming tutorials.